is Rosemary Madrinico. Just called me Mad or Marie. I'm 18 years old. My favorite color is blue, red, green, and yellow. And my favorite food is menudo. I like watching Korean movie and my hobby is playing badminton and chess. And I like reading Wattpad and they say that I'm a simple, shy type and a moody person too. After 10 years, I'm going to keep busy of my own work because I am a successful accountant in a big company. And I have my own cars and own house and of course I'm also busy to my family because I should always time for our family bonding and every year we will have a vacation so we can have some rest in our work and of course I will keep some bonding of my friends and we will travel the Philippines to see how beautiful in our country. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. And always remember, don't give up on your dreams. Have a nice day. Goodbye!